Darkness, silence, a cosmic emptiness so vast it makes the human mind tremble. Tiny sparks of starlight shimmer far away, like distant memories floating in an infinite sea of blackness. Slowly, the camera glides outward through familiar space, past Mars, past Jupiter, past Saturn's rings glowing like frozen halos. Farther, farther still, into the frontier of Neptune's deep blue orbit. Here, where sunlight fades into a soft icy glow, human curiosity begins to stretch beyond its limits. For centuries, we believed we knew this place. We believed we had mapped our cosmic neighborhood. We believed there were 8 planets, and nothing more. But something always felt wrong. Something was missing. As astronomers studied the outer solar system, unsettling clues began to appear. Subtle anomalies, strange gravitational tugs, orbits that made no sense. A pattern that should not exist. As if the universe itself was whispering, "You have not found everything. Keep searching. Something massive is hiding in the dark." And now, humanity is closer than ever before to uncovering that hidden giant. Planet 9, the unseen world, the last great planet of our solar system. A world that could completely rewrite our understanding of how the solar system formed, evolved, and survived its chaotic past. Tonight, we embark on the longest journey across the solar system, far beyond the edges of sunlight, into a realm of darkness where a giant world may be waiting to be discovered. The clues begin, a cosmic puzzle. It started with a few small frozen worlds. Astronomers studying the Kuiper Belt, a region filled with icy remnants from the birth of the solar system, noticed something strange. These tiny objects, drifting billions of kilometers from the sun, had orbits that were not chaotic, not random, but organized. They were aligned, clustered, tilted in the same direction. This should not happen naturally. This should not happen in an empty region of space. If the outer solar system were a quiet, undisturbed place, the orbits of these objects would scatter like dust in the wind. But instead, they moved like dancers following the same invisible conductor. Something massive was pulling them. Something powerful. Something we could not see. Their orbits formed a gravitational trail, a cosmic fingerprint, pointing to an object far more massive than Earth. But where was it hiding? The ghost of Planet X. Humans have been haunted by the idea of a hidden planet for over 170 years. In the 1800s, strange wiggles in the orbits of Uranus and Neptune convinced astronomers that an unseen planet, Planet X, must exist. This led to the discovery of Pluto. But Pluto was too small, too lightweight, a cosmic pebble, not a planet. The mystery continued, and as the decades passed, Planet X slowly became a myth. But the whispers never truly died, and in 2016, they returned, louder than ever. 2 astronomers, Konstantin Batygin and Michael Brown, analyzed dozens of distant icy worlds. The data revealed something impossible to ignore. Their unusual motions could only be explained by a massive planet, much larger than Earth, far beyond Pluto. Planet X was reborn, but with a new name, Planet 9. And unlike myths of the past, this time the evidence was real. Mathematical, observable, predictable. Gravity was pointing towards something huge. What Planet 9 might look like. Imagine a planet 5 to 10 times more massive than Earth, but so far away that the sun looks like a bright star instead of a blazing disk. A world where noon feels like night. Where the temperature plunges below -230 degrees Celsius. Where the atmosphere, if one exists, is frozen solid. It would be larger than Earth, smaller than Neptune, like a mini ice giant, possibly with rings, possibly with moons, possibly with an atmosphere of methane or nitrogen. Planet 9 might be a lonely, frozen cousin of Neptune, rejected from the inner solar system and thrown into the cold. But its gravity still shapes the orbits of distant worlds. It is exiled, but not powerless. The darkness is too deep. You might wonder, why can't we just point a telescope and see it? The answer is simple, and terrifying. The outer solar system is unbelievably dark. So dark that even a massive planet becomes invisible unless you look in the exact right place, at the exact right time, with the right telescope, and the right exposure. One wrong angle, and Planet 9 disappears into the cosmic background. If Planet 9 existed at the distance we think, its brightness would be weaker than the light of a small candle seen from hundreds of miles away. Finding it is like searching for one moving pixel among billions. But astronomers have been trying. Night after night, year after year, scanning millions of stars, tracking thousands of objects, sifting through mountains of data. The universe is vast, but Planet 9 is running out of places to hide. The hunt evolves. New tools, new hope. The primary weapon in this hunt is the Subaru telescope in Hawaii, a gigantic machine capable of capturing the faintest traces of light from the depths of space. Subaru has scanned enormous sections of the sky, each time gathering millions of gigabytes of data. But now, the hunt is evolving. The Vera Rubin Observatory will soon begin a groundbreaking mission, scanning the entire southern sky every few nights. Its camera is so powerful, it will capture more detail in 1 week than all previous sky surveys combined. James Webb Space Telescope can detect faint heat signatures, perfect for spotting an icy planet billions of kilometers away. And artificial intelligence is transforming the search. Machine learning systems can scan vast amounts of sky data, tracking motions too subtle for the human eye. These AI hunters don't sleep. They don't blink. They don't get tired. Every night, they comb through the sky, pixel by pixel, searching for the faintest sign of movement. Planet 9 is no longer just hunted by humans. It's hunted by machines. The evidence grows stronger. With every new distant object discovered, the gravitational picture becomes clearer. More TNOs have been found with the same unusual alignment. More orbits show the same clustering. More anomalies point to the same conclusion. A massive object is influencing an entire region of space. This is not a coincidence. Not a trick of the data. Not human error. It is gravity. Pure, undeniable gravity. Even the tilt of the solar system itself, 6 degrees from the sun's equator, may be Planet 9's doing. Something giant had to push the solar system off balance over billions of years. And nothing fits the mass and distance better than Planet 9. The wild possibility, a primordial black hole. There is another possibility. What if Planet 9 isn't a planet? What if it is a primordial black hole? The size of a grapefruit, but the mass of several Earths. Invisible, undetectable by light, emitting only faint radiation, dragging distant objects into strange orbits. If true, Planet 9 would be the strangest object ever discovered in the solar system, a relic from the birth of the universe. Such an object could not be seen with ordinary telescopes. It could only be detected by its gravity, or by rare flashes of gamma rays when particles fall into it. While unlikely, the math does not rule it out. It is a terrifying possibility. A cosmic ghost hiding in our own backyard. The discovery is close. Every week, more sky is mapped. More data is collected. More anomalies are found. Scientists say the discovery is near. Very near. We might be only a year away. Maybe months. Maybe less. The search zone has shrunk dramatically. The possible orbit has been narrowed. The motion patterns have been refined. Planet 9 is cornered. Soon, a faint dot will be seen moving slowly across the stars. A pixel drifting from one position to another. The unmistakable signature of a planet. The moment that happens, history changes forever. What Planet 9 means for humanity. Finding Planet 9 would be more than just naming another world. It would answer questions about the birth of the solar system, the violent past when planets were thrown around like stones, the possibility of rogue planets, how many worlds truly exist in the outer darkness, whether Earth-like worlds could form in the deep solar system, the nature of gravity at extreme distances, the architecture of the early sun. Planet 9 could be the key to understanding why our solar system looks the way it does. It may be a fossil from a cosmic battlefield, a survivor from a time when infant planets collided, shattered, and were flung into the void. Studying Planet 9 would open a new chapter in planetary science. Hidden in the void, imagine it, somewhere beyond the orbit of Neptune, beyond Pluto, beyond the Kuiper Belt, beyond the scattered disk, into a region no spacecraft has ever visited. A massive world drifts in silence. Its surface is frozen. Its sky is star-filled. Its landscape is illuminated by a sun that looks like a distant spark. It has lived its entire existence unseen, unknown, forgotten. For billions of years, it has circled the sun like a cold, patient sentinel. But soon, humanity will touch it with its gaze. Soon we will know its color, its temperature, its atmosphere, its moons, and its story. Planet 9 is not fiction, not fantasy, not theory. It is real, it is out there, and it is waiting. The final frontier of our solar system. The solar system we learned about in school was incomplete. The universe we thought we understood was too simple. The truth is more complex, more mysterious, more beautiful. We stand at the edge of one of the greatest discoveries in human history. A discovery that will reshape our maps, our textbooks, and our understanding of our place in the cosmos. Planet 9 is the last giant world hiding in the dark. And soon, the darkness will break. Humanity is reaching deeper than ever before, searching farther than any civilization has ever searched, pushing against the boundaries of the unknown. The final hidden world of our cosmic family is calling, and we are closer than ever to answering that call.